Foley, the art of sounds. First used in the 1920s, Foley was created by Jack Foley, known as the developer of sound techniques. Foley or Foley art was first used in Hollywood, Los Angeles. At this point, Foley was working at two of the biggest film companies, Universal and Warner Brothers. Foley is used by many professionals that are required to make audio-visual content, like filmmakers, sound designers, editors, and even animators. The process required is always, or most of the times, the same. A movie goes through 3 steps: pre-production, the creation of the story; production, the record of the movie; and post-production, adding audiovisual effects. Foley process begins in post-production. When the Foley artist gets the image, they recreate the sounds with different objects, so it looks like the sounds are coming from the image. Years before people were able to record sounds, people would replicate animal and object sounds, but with human voices. The idea of creating the sound and adding it later was revolutionary. An interesting fact is that most of the sounds that are made with objects are not related with the image on screen. It's almost like illusionists or magicians make you see things that are not really happening, but in this case, the sound is an illusion. Or, in other words, the sound is the magic.
Created using Powtoon.